Many viewers of this channel may be contemplating becoming drivers for services such as Uber or Instacart, or perhaps some have already tried it. However, did you realize that there are numerous alternatives beyond Uber, Lyft, or Instacart? And some of these options offer significantly better pay. That's precisely what we'll delve into in this video. We'll explore 13 straightforward side hustles for delivery drivers. And many of these opportunities allow you to utilize your own vehicle. In certain cases, they might even provide a vehicle for your use. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Number 1 on the list is the delivery of lost luggage from airports. Approximately 25% of travelers report instances where airlines have misplaced their luggage in the last 5 years. This situation is quite common, necessitating the need for someone to transport the luggage from the airport to the traveler's destination. I came across an article featuring John, a teacher, who invested some extra hours, working an additional 4 hours, and earned over $800. Typically, you can anticipate earning between $8 and $100 per gig. Compensation primarily comes from the airport, but there's also the possibility of receiving tips. To venture into this field, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the industry, particularly in your local market. Conduct a Google search for lost luggage delivery services in your area. Identify the companies providing these services to airlines, and with enough dedication, you might even consider starting your own lost luggage delivery service. This opportunity scores quite high. I give it a 9 out of 10. Next on the list is the delivery of food, encompassing 5 different options. The initial option is pizza delivery driving, which may seem surprising to some. While many assume pizza delivery drivers, often teenagers, don't earn much, some companies, such as Domino's, offer substantial earnings, reaching up to $35 per hour. Domino's, for instance, pays approximately $14.50 per hour, excluding tips, with the potential to earn around $35 per hour on a good day, including tips. Tips can significantly vary depending on the neighborhood's affluence. This option receives a solid 7.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Next, we briefly discuss Uber Eats, a widely known food delivery service where diligent work and good tips can result in monthly earnings of around $4,000 on average. On average, Uber Eats drivers make $15 to $21 per hour, earning it a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. The subsequent option is the Sweet Green Lunchtime Delivery Driver, operating through the SG Logistics platform. With a minimum pay of $23 per hour, these drivers typically make $25 to $35 per hour during lunchtime, not including tips. However, the limited time slots, only between 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. on weekdays, might pose a challenge. Despite this limitation, it scores impressively high with a 9 out of 10 opportunity score. Moving forward, GrubHub delivery drivers are well known for making a full-time income of approximately $51,000 annually, allowing for autonomy in their work. This option earns an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. DoorDash delivery drivers are another familiar option, making around $18 to $27 per hour, potentially reaching $30 per hour with tips. This alternative receives a 7.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. The next category is delivering packages, and I'll discuss 5 different options in this category, some of which you might not have heard of before. Let's start with the obvious one. Amazon Delivery Driver. They offer a pay range of about $18 to $25 per hour. While it's a reliable option with a flexible schedule, it may lack the tips associated with food delivery. This opportunity scores an 8.5 out of 10. Next on the list is another common option, Postmates Delivery Driver. Postmates delivers both goods and food, paying around $19 to $32 per hour. Known for being driver-focused, Postmates provides better bonuses, earning it an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. Next is the UPS Seasonal Support Driver, a seasonal option with pay ranging from $8.10 to $33 per hour. While similar in pay to others, what makes it attractive is the potential for a full-time offer and numerous opportunities for promotions, earning it a 9 out of 10 opportunity score. Moving on, we have CADA Delivery Driver, a company delivering packages across the U.S. They offer an hourly rate of $18, along with bonuses of 30 cents per stop and opportunities for promotions. This scores an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. Next on the list is Drop-Off, a same-day package delivery company. With favorable ratings on Glassdoor, they pay approximately $35,000 to $52,000 annually. Despite some stipulations, like needing a vehicle less than 10 years old, this option scores an 8 out of 10. The next category involves delivering medical supplies, and two recommended companies are Lab Logistics and Reliable Couriers. Lab Logistics, covering all 50 states, pays $48,000 to $74,000 per year. While requiring a background check, it scores a 9 out of 10. Reliable Couriers, doing various medical supply deliveries, particularly stat deliveries, pays $30,000 to $45,000 per year, making it an 8.5 out of 10. The next category focuses on delivering liquor, with Drizzly being the sole option on the list. Available in 31 states, they pay $13 to $18 an hour plus tips. While it has its challenges and pays on the lower side, it scores a 6.5 out of 10. If you loved this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.